Right. Please write down. Today, what are we going to discuss? Please write down the list of topics. Then I will discuss one by one all the doubts, concepts. Topics for today. Topics for today. One by one write down. First, we will discuss a very important concept, which is how to find the square of a number. How to find the square of a number. How to find the square of a number. Two kinds of concepts which we will discuss. One is generic technique. One is generic technique. What do you mean by generic technique? Generic technique is a technique that is used to find the square of every number. Then specific technique, generic technique, and the next one is specific technique. Specific technique. Specific technique. Then we will discuss some concepts related to perfect square. Some concepts related to perfect square. Concepts related to perfect square. Concepts related to perfect square. Then we will discuss last two digits. How to find the last two digits. How to find the last two digits for a perfect square. A lot of concepts we are going to discuss today. How to find the last two digits for a perfect square. Then square root of a perfect square. Square root of perfect square. Square root of perfect square. Then we will discuss square root of non-perfect square. Square root of non-perfect square. Non-perfect square. Then we will discuss perfect cube. Perfect cube. Cube root of perfect cube. Cube root of a perfect cube. If time permits, if all the concepts, if you understand, I will also discuss some multiplication tricks. Some multiplication tricks. Multiplication tricks. Lastly, I will discuss the last class doubts. I gave a daily practice paper, some doubts will be there, we will discuss. These are the concepts which we are going to discuss today, right? Very important. The first 4 classes of our foundation course is very important. It lays foundation to our classes. How to find the square of a number, generic technique, specific technique, perfect square, last 2 digits for perfect square, square root of a perfect square, square root of a non-perfect square, what is a perfect cube, how to find the cube root of a perfect cube. Last class I gave an assignment. I will discuss that using a trick, multiplication. Then I will discuss the doubts. Totally how many techniques? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Total around 10 to 12 concepts which we will discuss. Amazing class, 10 to 12 concepts and tricks. This is the outcome of today's session. 10 to 12 concepts and tricks. This is what we are going to learn today. Please make a note. 10 to 12. Last class doubts. What are the doubts? What was the last problem? 12th problem. If x 0x is a 3-digit number, x 0x it is a 3-digit number and it is divisible by 3. What is the question? Find the maximum value of x. Olympiad question. x 0x is a 3-digit number and it is divisible by 3. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Find the value of x. Last class, how many assignment problems you are able to do? Any other question not able to do? 102 into 79. 102 minus 79. Please keep asking doubts. I am writing these doubts so that I will discuss at the end. 102 minus 79 using place method. Using place value method. Any other doubt, Maitri? 10th. What is the 10th question? Okay. What is the 10th question? You got it? Please mention all your doubts. No single doubt should go unnoticed. XYZW, 4-digit number. This is also an Olympiad question. XYZW, it is a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit number where Z is 2W. Am I right? It is a very famous question. Y is 2Z and X is 2Y. Am I right? X is 2Y. What is the question? Find the value of X, Y, Z. Very, very good question. Please put a star mark on this. Please put a star mark on this. These are the 3 doubts which we will discuss in the doubt section. 11th one, what is the doubt? XY. These are also an Olympiad question. XY comma YX are prime numbers. XY and YX are prime numbers. What is the question? Find the value of, find X comma Y values. Find X comma Y values. Find X comma Y values. Any other doubts in the last class assignment? Should we discuss first doubts? X0X is a 3-digit number and it is divisible by 3. Second one, 102 minus 79. All the students who are watching the online who enrolled for the course, we have given an assignment in the last class. These are the 3 problems, right, which are a part of the assignment. The students sitting in offline got doubts. We'll discuss that. Now, I will take some 10-12 slides. Doubts. Please write down. Doubts. Doubts. One by one we will go. The first question, wantedly it is an Olympiad question. Now see. Question is X0X. It is a 3-digit number. X0X. It is a 3-digit number. And what is the condition that is given on the question? It should be divisible by 3. It should be divisible by 3. Now, what is the divisibility rule of 3? What is the divisibility rule of 3? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. That is the root cause of the problem. For a number to be divisible by 3, the sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. For example, listen. Example, 102. Add the digits in 102. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. 1 plus 0 plus 2, 3. Is 3 divisible by 3? Yes. That means 102 is divisible by 3. 102 is divisible by 3. If I take 2, 3, 4, tell me whether it is divisible by 3. 2, 3, 4. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus 4, 9. Is 9 divisible by 3? Yes, it is divisible by 3. 103. Is it divisible by 3? 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 3, 4. Is 4 divisible by 3? Not divisible by 3. That means first write down in your notes. For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. You want to check whether a number is divisible by 3. Do the sum of the digits. For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Now 1 minute, don't write examples. Now see here, I forgot your name, Sai, yeah? Sai, right? Riyansh. Sir, why sum of the digits should be divisible by 3? Why this property is satisfied for this concept? Proof. First listen, so that even after the class is over, you can do a mathematical thinking. I am taking some 3-digit number XYZ, some random number. It can be any number from 100 to 101, 999. Z is in which place? Units place. Y is in which place? Tens place. X is in which place? Hundreds place. Value of X will become 100x because X is present at the 100th place. Value of Y will become 10y because Y is there in the tens place. Z is in units place, so it is Z. Can I write like this? 99x plus 9y plus x plus y plus z. 99x plus x I. It will become 100x. 9y plus y will become 10y remaining. Why am I writing like this? Is 99 divisible by 3? Yes. Is 9y divisible by 3? Yes. That means if these numbers should be divisible by 3, already it is divisible by 3. Already it is divisible by 3. That means this should be divisible by 3. What is this? X plus y plus z. What are x, y, z here? Digits. What is happening here? Digits are getting added. Digits are getting added. That is the reason for a number to be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Why sum of the digits should be divisible by 3? If I open this number, x is in hundreds place, 100x, y is in tens place, 10y plus z. 100x is 99x plus x. 10y is 9y plus y. 99x is divisible by 3. 9y is divisible by 3. This should be divisible by 3. To check whether a number is divisible by 3 or not, what is the concept? Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Please write down. Please understand and write it. We are discussing the doubts which are there in the DPP, Riyansh. For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. The best is you take your own random numbers. Don't copy what I wrote. And your mind should speak with you when you are taking examples. Very, very important concept. Divisibility, rule of 3, 9, all these are very important rules. For a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Why it is divisible by 3? If I expand it, all the other parts are divisible by 3. This part of sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Write down in your own language. Don't copy what is there in the board. I am writing in the way so that you will understand it and create your own notes. Take your own number. Take your own number. I am not interested in this problem. I am more interested in the concept. Because you do not know this concept, you did not solve this problem. Is this clear? Now, how the questions can be framed? Is this clear, everyone? Sai, Riyansh, can I go ahead? Now, I will ask you some questions. Forget about the solution. I want to ask you some questions so that you will feel comfortable. First one, 1, 3, 4, 2. Is it divisible by 3 or not? 1, 3, 4, 2. Fatafat.
No.
No. 1 plus 3, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 2, 10. 10 is not divisible by 3. Am I right? My 3, okay? Second one, Sai. 3, 5, 6, 1. Is it divisible by 3? 3 plus 5, what it is? 8. 8 plus 6, how much? 14. 14 plus 1, 15. 15 is divisible by 3. But in the exam, this kind of questions will not come. Now I will twist the question. Now you tell me, my 3, 2, 3y. 2, 3y. What should be the value of y so that this number is divisible by 3. Very good. Very good. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus y. 5 plus y, which all values can take? 6 it can take, 9 it can take, that's all. Y can be 1, y can be 4. Are you all with me? Y is 1, y is 4. You understood this? Now solve the assignment on your own. Now, 1 minute, you only solve it. X0, x, you tell me, Riyansh, X0, x, it is divisible by 3. Divisible means what is the sum of the digits? X plus x, 2x. 2x should be divisible by 3. That means what can be the value of x? You solved this question, then solve this question. 2 into which number will be divisible by 3? What can be this number? Yes, x can be 3. If it is x can be, if 5 you are taking, 2 5s are 10. 10 is not divisible by 3, but 6. 2 6s are 12. Any other number? 2 9s are 18. Yes. What will be the values of x? 3, 6 and 9. Simple question. Because, please write down this question. First create a similar question. I am not interested in you copying what is there. I created these 2, 3. Why? I want you to create a question. Every class we will create a questions. You understand it and create a question. Your fear of maths will go off. I hope the idea it is very clear. We will go very slowly. You are learning divisibility rules for the first time. I will do as many examples as possible. A 2-hour class, it can become 2 hour 15 minutes. But we have to understand each and every concept. Every concept should be clear to you. Nothing what I wrote on the digital board should be unclear to you. And I am not going to solve the assignment problems. I am going to tell the concept. You are only going to solve it on your own. Is this example clear, Maitri? There is a 3-digit number 23y. It is divisible by 3. How we should think is, for a number to be divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. 2 plus 3, 5. 5 plus y. 5 plus y should be divisible by 3. So what are the 3 If I take 3, y will get negative. 3 minus 5 is negative. Y is a digit here. 3 is out. 6, 9, 12. Why? Can I take 12? Can I take 12? 5 plus y is 12. That means y can also become 7. Yes or no? 5 plus y is 15. Y is becoming 10. But y is a digit. Digit means from 0 to 9. Digit means from 0 to 9. That is the reason. Here 3 values will come. Here 3 values will come. 2. If I take 2, what is 5 plus 2? 7. 7 is not divisible by 3. Sai, any doubt? Riyansh, any doubt in the 12th problem of the assignment? Question is x0x, it is a 3-digit number. The last question in the DPP. x0x is a 3-digit number and it should be divisible by 3. What is the value of x? Since it is divisible by 3, sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. X plus 0 plus x is 2x. 2x is divisible by 3. I kept x1. 2 1s are 2, not divisible. I kept x2. 2 2s are 4. 2 4 not divisible. I kept x3 divisible. I kept x6 divisible. I kept x9 divisible. This is an Olympiad question. Olympiad question is based on the concept of divisibility rule of 3. Divisibility rule of 3 is sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. Sum of the digits should be divisible by 3. I will create as many questions as possible till you get a complete conceptual clarity. This is the first question. Is this clear? Now this is x, y, z, w. Now this is an easy question. You should have solved this question. X, Y, Z, W. It is a 4-digit number. It is a 4-digit number. Question is, Z is 2 into W, Y is 2 into Z, X is 2 into Y. Find the value of X, Y, Z, W. Yes. You are right. X, Y, Z, W is a 4-digit number. Now, the best part about this question is, the value of W is giving us Z, value of Z is giving us Y, value of Y is giving us X. So, W I will make 1. Sir, why are you not taking 0? 0 means everything will become 0, 0, 0. Yeah, no, it will become a single digit number, non-existing digit 0, 0, 0, 0, 0, 0. I will get a...
0 become 2, Y becomes 4, X becomes 8.
Yes, Z is 2, 2 ones are 2, Y will become 2 twos are 4, X will become 4 twos are 8. Answer for this question is 1, 8, 4, 2, 1. Sir, why can't we take W value 2? If W is 2, Z will become 4, Y will become 8, X is becoming 16, X is a digit. Digit means only from 0 to 9 it will be. So, therefore, what will be the answer for this question? 8, 4, 2, 1. You did it? Very good. My 3 doubt? Okay. W I took 1. Z will become 2 ones are 2. 2 into 1 is 2. Y will become 2 twos are 4. X will become 2 fours are 8. Everything is double, double, double. Right to left. 1 twos are 2. 2 twos are 4. 4 twos are 8. Okay. I hope it is 8, 4, 2, 1. We will discuss in between some Olympiad questions. What is the another doubt we got? 102 minus 79. My 3 clear? 102 minus 79. 2 minus 9, it is minus 7. 10 minus 7, it is 3. So, 3 is there in tens place. 3 tens are 30. 30 minus 7 is 23. Minus 7 and 7 and 100. It is 7, huh?
Yes, sir. Minus 7 and 7 and 100.
Minus 7 and, oh, you need to subtract the entire number. 10 minus 7 is, right, 3. 30 minus 7 is 23. Okay. So, even if you consider, that also will give you the answer. 1 minute. Good doubt. Actually, what is moving on in your mind is right. See here, I understood your doubt. 2 minus 9 is minus 7. 0 minus 7 is 1. 1 nothing is there 1. Units tens hundreds. 1 into 100 is 100. 7 is there in tens place. 70 minus 7. 30 minus 7 is 23. Very good. I think you are thinking in the right way. That also will give you answer. Where you are struck? 100 minus 70. Right? Is it clear? Actually, this reminds me of another doubt. 5 years before, one student asked me. I will discuss this at the end. Good doubt. Both the ways you will get the same answer. All doubts cleared? Right. Now write down. Concept 1. Concept 1. Very slowly we will go. But slowly with 100, 150 problems, you will become. Side heading write down. How to find the square of a number. How to find the square of a number. We already did a square minus b square. We already did in our first class a square minus b square concept. Now we will do another 2 methods. Square of a number. Square of a number. Square of a number. Listen. I hope all online students, all concepts are clear. You can use the chat option to reply whether it is clear or in case if you get doubts. Type 1. Now see here. It is by using a plus b whole square formula. A plus b whole square is a square plus 2ab plus b square. If anybody asks what is the importance of a plus b whole square, it is used to find the square of a number. It is used to find the square of a number. Don't take the examples which I am taking. You should take your own examples. Suppose 94 whole square is there. 94 whole square. Step number 1. Divide any, whether it is 2 digits, 3 digits, 4 digits, divide it into 2 parts. What are 2 parts? First one is A, second one is B. Divide it into 2 parts. A is 9, B is 4. Wherever A is there, substitute 9. A square. Next is 2AB. And next one is B square. 4 square. How to do the square of a 3-digit number also we will see. 9 square is 81. 2 9s are 18. 18 4s are 72. 4 square it is 16. 4 square it is 16. Till here clear? One important observation. Here B is taking how many digits? 1 digit. Answer from right to left. Keep writing only 1 digit. 16, what is the unit digit? 6. 1 carried. What is 72 plus 1? 73. 3. 7 carried. Total add it. 81 plus 7 how much? 88. What is the answer for this question? 8836. Again I am telling step number 1. Divide the number into 2 parts. A with B. A square, 2AB, B square. Don't change its positioning. Don't write A square plus B square plus 2AB. This is formula in 9th or 10th you will see. It is a Pascal's notation. Don't change the order. That is the first mistake. 81, 72, 16. 16 write down the unit digit 6. 1 carried. 72 plus 1 is 73. 3. 7 carried. 81 plus 7 is how much? 88. Leftmost, whatever you get, write down as it is. Except leftmost, every place write down only the unit digit. Why we are writing the unit digit? Because B is taking single digit. B is taking single digit. 1 minute. Is this idea clear, everyone? Try to take 77 whole square and try to do. Please write down this. All classroom notes, every class notes, PDF I am sending it in the WhatsApp group. Even in a rush, if you are not writing neatly, the notes is there with you. We have already discussed A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB, B plus B square. One more concept which we discussed in the previous class. What is that concept? A square minus B square. Very slowly we will go. Every concept should be very clear to you. Please don't take the numbers what I wrote. Can I see the chart option of the online students? Anybody got any doubts? I will handle that. Any doubts are there? I will handle it. Venkat says, hi, right, yes sir. Venkat Ramana says yes. Please take your own number. At the end of the class, a slip test will be given, DPP will be given, enough practice material will be given. Participate in the class, listen, create your own questions. Create your own questions. Create. Always keep a slash, otherwise you will get confused. Wherever a plus is there, I kept a slash so that while adding you will not get confused. Otherwise, you might get confused. 77 whole square. Calculation mistake, but that's okay. Little calculation. Let me hear other people's answer. Online students, any answers please mention. 77 whole square. Sai, how much you got? You need a pen. An extra pen is there. 70, that is not writing, I think. 77 square. Online students, what is the answer? Now see. Okay, anybody solved it? Please solve it. Max is a subject of practice. A is 7, B is 7. A square, next is 2AB, and next is B square. Till here clear? 7 square, 49. Is it very cold for you? Should I switch off the AC? 7 2s are 14, 14 7s are 98. 7 square is 49. Till here any doubts? Don't make it complicated. Write down the unit digit 9, 4 carried, 98 plus 4. How much it is? 102. 102, what is the unit digit? 2. 10 carried, 49 plus 10 is 59. First problem, even if you do mistake, that's okay. Where is the mistake? Please see. Again I am repeating, you may get a doubt here. See here, 49, next is 98, and next is 49. Write down the unit digit. 49 unit digit is 9. 4 carried. 98 plus 4 is 102. 102, what is the unit digit? 2. 10 carried. 49 plus 10 is 59. Answer for this question is 5929. Please write in the same order. First problem, you might do a mistake, that is okay for me. 5929. A plus B. Venkatramana, online student, got 50029. Please check it out. Where is the calculation mistake? It is okay if you get an incorrect answer, but it is not okay if you do not try. You will learn that somewhere you did a mistake. I am more important there. A plus B whole square. A square plus 2AB plus B square. Please write in the same format, otherwise you might get confused. You might get confused. A square plus 2AB plus B square. You understood where is the mistake? Right. Okay. Maitri, you understood? Rayansh, understood?
Yes, sir.
But you have to be little quick. Slowly we are going, but we have to be little quick. Can you try this question and tell me the answer fast? 41 whole square. Practice it. 41 whole square. 41 square. Two problems, it is very slow for. At your age group, it takes time to understand. Once you understand, you speed up. You are not in early 20s. You are all in class, school. So go slow. Once you understand, solve it fast. 41 whole square. But I want the right answer here.
Yes, sir.
Very good. Do it slowly. Riyansh, how much you got? 41 square. Do it. 1681. It is 41. You took 1. B is 1. You took 4. A plus B square. This is A ma. This is B. A square. Next is 2AB. Next is B square. You took 4. Understood? Huh? Do as many mistakes in the class. I am very comfortable if you are doing as many mistakes. 16, 8, 1. Only unit digit we have to write. 1, it is 8 as it is. 1681. 1681. Any doubts, Riyansh?
No, sir.
1681. Online students, please check it out whether you are doing any mistakes anywhere. Do one more problem, but this time you should not do a mistake. The question is, right? 56 whole square. Tell me the answer. 56 whole square. That is the reason lot of practice questions I will give you. After some time, you have to do these questions orally. Fourth problem, 56 whole square. You should get it right this time, everyone. 56 whole square. Once you start practicing, you can beat probably students who are at an ahead of your age. Till you know, it will be difficult. Do it slowly, no silly mistakes. 56 square. What is the answer? 3136. Any mistakes? Calculate it. Answer for this question is 3136. Answer for this question is 3136. Answer, students also got 3136. Very good. 3136. A is 5 and B is 6. A square, next is 2AB and next is B square. 5 square 25. 2 5s are 10. 10 6s are 60. 6 square 36. Write down the unit digit 6. 3 carried. 60 plus 3. 63. What is the unit digit in 63? 3. 6 carried. 25 plus 6, 31. Answer for this question is 3136. Got it right? Now what you do is, you write a number and put a sad smile. 112 whole square. What if it is a 3-digit number? Please write down. What if it is a 3-digit number? 2-digit number, I am sure by this time you have become perfect. Yes, online students. Right. Take a 3-digit number. 2 digits. 2 digits to see any digits. How many methods are there? In the first class, we did one more method. What is the method? A square minus B square method. A plus B into A minus B. Now, write down next one. 112 square. 112 square. I think single example you will understand it if you have understood the previous. 112 square. First listen. I always said that there are only 2 variables. There are only 2 variables. How many digits are there? 3 digits are there. So this problem can be solved in 2 ways. This problem can be solved in 2 ways. What are the 2 ways? 112 square. There are 2 variables. I can give A11, Riyansh, I can give B2. What is another way, Sai? I can give A1 and I can give B12. Am I right? Maitri, okay? First listen. Right. Now rest process is the same. 11 square, already we discussed in the previous class. 11 contains 2 ones, 1, 2, 1. 2AB, 2 into 11 into 2. Next is 2 square. This is 121. This is 11 2s are 22. 22 2s are 44. 2 square it is 4. Till here clear? Now our concept remains the same. B is taking how many digits? 1 digit, single digit. Only single digit we have to write. 4, my 3. 44, what is the unit digit? 4. 4 carried. What is 121 plus 4? 124. Answer for this question is 12544. Now the question you will ask is, Anil sir, will the answer be same? Riyansh, A square is 1 square. Next 2AB, 2 into 1 into 12. Next is B square, 12 square. This is 1. 12 2s are 24. 12 square is 144. Now the difference between this logic and this logic is, here B is taking single digit. Here B is taking how many digits? 2 digits. What we said, if B takes 1 digit, except leftmost I wrote single digit. Here B is taking 2 digits. So write down last 2 digits. My 3, see here. 44. 1 carried. What is 24 plus 1? 25. Write down 2 digits. Why 2 digits? Because B is taking 2 digits. 1. 12544. That means entire concept is only one thing where you will get a doubt is if B is taking 1 digit, every place we have to write 1 digit. If B is taking 2 digits, every place other than the leftmost we have to write 2 digits. Copy it. 4 digit also. 2 digits plus 2 digits. 3 digits plus 1 digit. Now you understood the approach. That is the beauty once you start knowing this concept. In the second class, I am going very slowly. Fifth class, I expect you to tell the answers orally, which you will do it. If you don't do it, I will make you do it. Till you understand only, it's a problem. I hope the idea it is very much clear. 112 whole square. The first doubt you should do it is, sir, you said a plus b whole square. Should I use a plus b plus c whole square? Please don't use it. You can use only a plus b whole square. Divide it into either 11 with 2 or make it into 1 with 12. 1 with 12. The most important concept here is if b is taking k digits, if b is taking k digits, all places other than leftmost, all places other than leftmost place. Please write down this point. All places other than leftmost place, it will take k digits. It will take k digits. You understood this line? Every place B is taking 2 digits. Answer, this has got 2 digits, this has got 2 digits. This has got 2 digits, this has got 2 digits. Online, all students, I hope the idea it is very much clear. If it is clear to you, kindly reply with an yes. All online students. How to do the square of a number using a plus b whole square. Using a plus b whole square. Once you understood this one, I want you to solve 108 whole square. 108 whole square. Go very slow. In case if you got any doubts, feel free to use the comment section and ask the doubts. Offline students, you can ask me directly. But when you are doing it, think and solve it. What is the answer for this question? Very good. Online students are answering it. 108 whole square. 11664. Where is the mistake? We'll see which number you took. 10 with 8. A is 10 and B with 8. A square. Next is 2AB. And next is B square. 10 square 100. 2 tens are 20. 28s are 160. 8 square it is 64. B is taking single digit. So 4. 6 carried. 160 plus 6, 166. 6, 1, 6. 11664. 11664. Still I am unhappy, you are taking little more time. You can do it very, very fast. Now see. Little difficult, but I want you to give it a try. 317 square. Now you tell me, what should you take? 31 with 7 or 3 with 17?
3 with 17.
3 with 17. Please take it. Three with 17. Please tell me this answer. Three 17 whole square. What is the answer? Please make it little fast, online students and offline. What is the answer? No. You should get, okay, let me listen to the other students. Three 17 whole square. Sorry. 317 whole square. Make it little fast. Little calculation mistake. I will tell you where is the mistake. Fast. Don't do the generic multiplication. You have to be little 10489. 317 whole square it is 10489. I will tell you, you keep doing mistakes, I will keep correcting you. Don't worry about whether you are doing a lot of mistakes. 317 whole square. I will divide it into 3 and 17. A is 3, B is 17. A square. Next is 2AB. And next is B square. 3 square. Till here it is clear. 3 square 9. 2 3s are 6. 6 17s are 102. 17 square it is 289. 280. Till here everybody got it? B is taking 2 digits. So write last 2 digits 89. 2 is carried. 102 plus 2 is 104. What are the last 2 digits of 104? 04. 1 carried. 9 plus 1 10. 1,00489. Where is the mistake? You understood? 1,00489. One more zero you missed. 1,00489. 1,00489. Square of a 2-digit number we did. Square of a 3-digit number we did. Now I will ask you, Maitri, if this question is given to you, tell me how will you solve this question. Forget about solving it. Give me approaches. 10 as A, B as 7. Is there any approach, Rayansh, where you will find the square of 1007?
You can do 1,007.
Yes. 1 A, how much you are giving it? 1 A, B is 007. Any other approach you suggest?
100.
Yes. 100 with 7. Please write down this example so that if you want to know how to find the square of 4 digits, 5 digits, this is the process you need to find. 17 will become 17. Here it is 1007. 1007. So the splitting is very, very important. If you do 1 with 7, these will become the square of 17, but it is the square of 1007. Square. Whatever doubt that comes into your mind, please share it. Four digit, this is the approach. How to find the square of do the answer later. I am not interested in your answer. I am interested in the approach. You understood the path to find the square of a number. Now, see here. In next class, I will first list it here. Please write down side heading, specific techniques. Specific techniques. Specific techniques. Specific techniques. Type 1. Type 1. Type 1. Now listen carefully. Type 1 is squares till 35. Please write down. Type 1 is squares till 35. Rayansh, you know the square up to how many numbers? You are comfortable till 15 square or 25 square? Okay. What is 11 square? 121. What is 12 square? 13 square? 14 square? 15 square? 2 to 5. 16 square? 16 square? Okay. We will write it here. Okay. Now, since you said till 16, right? I will start from 16. 16 square, 256. Please write down. 17 square, 289. 18 square, 324. Now, the best thing is, you know how to find the square of this number. What is the approach? A plus B whole square. If you forget it also, you can use A plus B whole square. Riyansh, okay? Right. 20 square, it is 400. 19 square, it is 361. 21 square, 441. 22 square, 484. 23 square, 529. 24 square, 576. 25 square, 625. Next class, everybody has to remember the squares till 25. It's mandatory. Cubes till 10, squares till 25, you need to remember it. 16 square, 256. 17 square, 289. 18 square, 324. 19. 19 square, 361. 20 square, 400. 21 square, 441. 22 square, 484. 23 square, 529. 24 square, 576. 25 square, 625. Mandatorily, next class, orally, you need to tell the squares till 25. Mandatory it is. Cubes till 10 and squares till 25. Why? I will tell you as we proceed with the class, you will understand it. Till 25. Now see. Write down. 22 square, 23 square, 24 square, 25 square. Now see. How to determine one example I will tell you. 24 whole square is there. How will you do the square of a number? A is 2 and B is 4. A square, next is 2AB and next is B square. 2 square is 4. 2 2s are 4. 4 4s are 16. 4 square it is 16. Write down the unit digit 6. 1 carried. 16 plus 1 is 17. 7, 1 carried, 5. 4 plus 1, 5. This is how you remember the square of any number. You are struck, you will take 1 more minute, you will find the answer. But you should not say that I don't know. This is how you find the square of a number. Very interesting pattern here. See here. You don't need to by heart till beyond 25. Beyond 25. Now see. I want 27 square. 27 square. You know how to do the square of a number using A plus B square. This technique is popularly called as backtracking technique. What is backtracking? Sai, listen. Step number 1. 27 is how much more than 25? 2 more than 25. Go 2 units back. What is the value? 23 square? 529. Since it is 2 units, add 200. Answer is 529 plus 200. What is the answer? 729. Suppose if it is 31 square. Again I am repeating. Determining the unknown from the known. Base is 25. 31 is how much ahead of 25? 6 units ahead. Go 6 units back. 25 minus 6 is 19. 19 square is 361. 6 units means add 600. What is the answer? 600 plus 361? 961. Suppose if it is 29 square. Tell me the shortcut. 29 is how much ahead of 25? 4 units. Go 4 units back. No, we have to take the base as 25. From here, greater or less? How much more? How much less? This is the epicenter. 29 is 4 units ahead of 25. 4 units back is 21 square. It is 441. Since it is 4 units, how much I will add? 400. What is the answer? 841. These logic values holds good till which number? 35. Please write down. Entire how much it is going ahead and coming back. How much it is moving and how much it is coming back. 25 square. Till 25 square you need to remember. There are two concepts to find the square of a number. One is a square minus b square. Another is a plus b whole square. Again I am repeating. Please, for one problem, write down in the way you understood it. What is the concept? 27 is 2 units greater than 25. I went 2 units back. 23 square is 529. 529, since it is 2 units, I added 200. Since it is 2 units, I added 200. 529 plus 200. 529 plus 200. Online students, I hope the idea it is very much clear. In case if it is clear to you, please reply with yes. Kindly reply with yes if it is clear to you. (31) it is 6 units greater than 25. Go 6 units back. 25 minus 6 is 19. 19 square is 361. Since it is 6 units, add 600. Add 600. Sai, clear? Maitri clear? Riyansh clear? Others clear? 721, 961, 841. How much ahead? How much down? Square still 35. Square still 35. Square of the numbers till 35. Square of the numbers till 35. Idea clear? Maitri clear? In case if you feel it is very cold, he will switch it off. Or you can sit here in case if you feel very cold. Shall we go ahead? Type 2. I want you to solve 33 square using this method. (33). (33 square). Very good. You got 1089? 33 square you need to do using this method. 33 square. What is the answer for 33 square? 89. 25, 8 units ahead, 8 units back is 17 square, 289. Since it is 8 units, add 800. So answer for this question is 1089. 1089. Type 1. Type 2, please write down. Squares ending with 5. Type 2. Type 2. Squares ending with 5. Squares ending with 5. Already we discussed in session number 1. In that one advanced level concept I did not discuss. That we will discuss. Squares ending with 5. One variety we did not discuss. We'll discuss right now. First listen. 25 into 25. In session number 1, what did we do? 25 into 25. Rayans, what did we do? 5 5s are 25. 2 multiplied by next number. 2 3s are 6. A into A plus 1. I hope you remember. Now, this one, tell me the answer. 35 into 35. 5 5s are 25. Add 3 into 4. 3 4s are 12. Now, there is a very important observation. 82 into 88. I will take 3 examples. 76 into 74. 93 into 97. 24 into 26. 24 into 26. Very, very important observation. See here. 5 plus 5 is 10. Here also 2 plus 8 is 10. 4 plus 6 is 10. 3 plus 7 is 10. Again it is 10. Next. Other than 5, these both are same. Other than 5, these both are same, Maitri. Here also they both are same. 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 5 5s are 25. What is 2 8s are 16. 3 into next number 4. 3 4s are 12. 8 into next number. Please tell me this answer. 4 6 are 24. 7 into 8. What is the number? 56. 3 7s are 21. 9 into 10. 90. 4 6 are 24. 2 into 3, 6. We will write. Leftmost digit. LMD. Leftmost digit, it is same. Leftmost digit, it is same. Are you all with me? Sum of remaining digits, it is 10. Sum of remaining digits, it is 10. Am I right? Please write down this. Once you understand, till here we discussed in session 1. It is an extension of session 1 concept. It is an extension of session 1 concept. Please write down. 3 also. Doubt. Now, after you take this, then I will discuss doubts. Write down. (25 into 25). First 2 examples, if it is clear, next further it will be clear. All the online students, I hope the concept is very much clear. If it is clear to you, kindly reply with an yes. Kindly reply with an yes. 25 into 25. 5 5s are 25. 2 into 3, 6. 5 5s are 25. 3 into 4, 12. 2 8s are 16. 8 into 9, 72. 6 into 4, 24. 7 into 8, 56. 3 into 7, 21. 9 into 10, 90. Nine into 10, 90. Is the idea clear? Now, I want you to tell this little tricky question. Sai, any doubt?
So,
79 into 71, my 3.
9,
9 ones are 9.
66.
This is where a small mistake you will do. See here. 4 and 6 are two different digits. 9 and 1, 2 digits. Answer should be in a 2-digit format. So it is 0, 9. 7 8s are 56. Other than the leftmost digit, remaining how many digits are there? 2 digits are there. That is the reason 9 in a 2-digit format it is 0, 9. Please tell me this answer, Riyansh. 39 into 31. What is the answer?
0, 9,
9, 0, 9,
12.
3 4s are 12. Please take these last two examples. Last, you did a mistake. Why? Because 28 into 29, it should satisfy two properties. Leftmost digit should be same. Yes, leftmost same. Sum of remaining should be 10. 8 plus 9 it is 17. It should be 10. That is the reason this concept will not work here. Yes, under these two conditions, leftmost digit should be same and sum of the remaining digits should be power of 10. That is the reason it is called as a specific technique. It is called as a specific technique. It is called as a specific technique. Is the idea very much clear to you? These all things you might forget if you do not practice it. So every class will conduct a slip test. I'll give a DPP. Today I will keep the timer for you. Is this idea clear? By third class, we should have square, square roots, cube, cube roots in fingertips. These two problems are important. Now, Sai has asked a doubt. Very good doubt. Write down. My 3 clear. 298 into 202. This is a level 3 concept of this problem. 298 into 202. Sai's doubt is, what if it is a 3-digit number? That's what you are about to ask. 298 into 202. See here. Very good doubt you asked. Now see. Leftmost digit, my 3. 2 it is same. Leftmost it is same. If you observe the remaining, what is 98 plus 2? 100. 100 is a 10 square format. First write down here 10 power k. We will generalize it. If the sum of the remaining digits, not only for 10, my 3, it can be 100, it can be 1000, we can use the logic. How we can use the logic, we will see. Now, first listen. Leftmost digit, it is same. 2 plus 8, 10. 4 plus 6, 10. Now see here, Riyansh. 298 into 2. 2 is the leftmost. 98 plus 2, it is 100. What did we do in the previous problem? 2 8s are 16 we did. Here it is 98 2s are 196. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. But I got 196 as 3 digits. Add a 0. Then 2 into next number. 2 3s are 6. Answer it is 60196. One more example. 397 into 303. 397 into 303. Now listen. Step number 397 into 303. What is 97 plus 3? 100. Leftmost is also same here. Leftmost is also same. That means I can use these logic. Step number 1. 97 3s are 3 7s are 21, 9 3s are 27 plus 2, 29, 291. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. Add a 0. Then 3 into 4. What is 3 4s are? 120291. 120291. Understood? Once you understand this approach, please try to solve this question. 496 into 404. Riyansh, clear? Right. Little bit of practice, you will be able to do these problems very fast. $298 into 202. Leftmost digit should be same and the sum of the remaining digit should be power of 10. Remaining digit should be power of 10. Remaining digit should be power, sum should be power of 10. Let other two also solve. We'll see. You should be 2 384 0 200 384. That is the answer. Yes, very good. 96 and 4. If you know that calculation, you will get that answer fast. 496 into 404. One student says, any answers online, students? Right. In case if you want to listen to the class, the same class is available in your parents' name and mobile number, and I already sent you. You can watch it in laptop as well as mobile. You have the facility. 200,384. 96 4s are 384. How many digits are there? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 digits are there. But I got the answer 3 digits. Add 0. 4 5s are 20. 1 0 you missed it. 200,384. Now I will ask you a question. You tell me, can I use this logic in this kind of problems? 52 into 78. Can I use it? No. Why? Because the leftmost digit should be same. Can I use these logic in these problems? 77 into 83? No, you cannot use it. Can I use in this kind of problems? No, because sum of the digits should be 10 or 10 power k. See here, any doubts? Any doubts? 3 digits, 2 digits, okay. One more question. Please write down. Like that you can keep expanding, Sai. 3998 into 3002.
No, like
3 digits and 2.
2 like 998.
Yes, that is what I said. Please write down. This logic does not work for any 3 digits, 4 digits. Yes, you are right. Please write down this question. You are only going to solve this question. 3998 into 3002.
So we're supposed to only multiply the last few.
Yes, you are right. You are right. You are right. 3 leftmost it is same. 998 plus 2 is 1000. So I can use the logic. Only complication is doing 998 into 2. 998 into 2. Today all these classes you will see its impact in your regular maths learning also. You will start thinking in a very sharp way.
120019.
Yes. 12001996. Now you understood the approach. 998 2s are 1996. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I got 4 digits. Add 2 zeros. 3 4s are 12. Any doubts? Now, next is a very important concept. So, we discussed specific techniques. Squares till 30, 25, squares ending with 5. Next, side heading write down. Last two digits. Last two digits. Extremely important logic, sir. Last two digits. Last two digits. Within 10 minutes, you are going to solve the square root of a perfect square in less than 10 seconds. That is over. Type 1 and type 2, it is over. It is a new concept. Last two digits. When I say last two digits, I am referring to the units place and tens place. First write down this. When I say last two digits of a number, I am only taking the last two digits. What are the last two digits? Unit digit as well as tens place. Units place as well as tens place. Only these two are my focus points. I am not taking anything else. Decimal, now these last two digits works for a natural number. Natural number, because when you say a perfect square, good question you asked. When you say a perfect square, suppose your question is what is 12.96. I will write like this, 1296 by 100. I will do the square root of this natural number. I will do the square root of this natural number, then find out the decimal. Everything I will culminate it to a natural number. That is what. Good doubt you asked. Units place and tens place I am referring. Beautiful concept. Listen carefully. If I take a number x, it can be any number. If I square that number, whatever the last two digits I get, units place and tens place, the same last two digits I will get. If I add 50 to that number, if I subtract 50 from that number, same last two digits I will get. Same last two digits. Till I ask you, is it clear? Please just listen. Same last two digits. Similarly, to that number, if I add a number or if I subtract a number, again I will get same last two digits. Why it is happening is, let us take an example. Suppose if I take 7 square. What is 7 square? 49. Last two digits it is 49. 9 is units place, 4 is tens place. 50 plus 7. 57 square. If I do like this, a plus b whole square. A square, next is 2ab and next is b square. 5 square is 25. 2 5s are 10. 10 7s are 70. 7 square is 49. Only 9 I am writing, 4 carried. 70 plus 4, 74. 74. Last two digits is 49. It is same. Yes or no? Again 50 minus 7, 43. If you solve it also, you will get 1849. Last two digits is 49. If you do 100 minus 7, 93 square. If you solve it, it is 8649. Again the last two digits is 49. Extremely important property. You take any natural number, square it. 50 plus a number square, 50 minus a number square. 50 how much it is above, 50 how much it is below. 100 how much it is above, 100 how much it is below. 150 how much it is above, 150 how much it is below. All 50 multiples. How much more, how much less? Only 50 multiples. 50, 100, 150. Please write down a point. X square, first write. Beautiful concept it is. X square, 50 plus x whole square. X whole square, 50 plus x whole square. 50 minus x whole square, you write plus or minus. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. 50 plus or minus x whole square. 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Last two digits will be same. x whole square, 50 plus x whole square, 50 minus x whole square. Please take this example. Just write down the values. 7 square 49, 57 square 3249, 43 square 8649, 43 square 8649. Check how much it is greater than 50, how much it is less than 50. Check how much it is greater than 100, how much it is less than 100. How much it is less than 100. Which one? 57 square. You remember a square minus b square logic. Same answer you will get. You can check it out. Very, very important logics. Next two logics, 10 minutes, are based on this concept. X square, 50 plus or minus x whole square, 100 plus or minus x whole square. Last two digits will be same. Sai, okay? Okay, Maitri? Now see, without putting pen on the paper, you will solve few questions. Idea clear? Now question. Please write down. Find the last two digits for 10 problems I will solve. Find the last two digits for. Find the last two digits for. First one. See here. Simple question. 12 square. What is 12 square last two digits? 144. Question is 44. Now see. If they ask you, what is the last two digits for 88 square? Don't find 88 square and check the last two digits. Step number 1. 88 is how much less than 100? 12. So answer will be same as 12 square, which is 44. Suppose if it is 56 square, 56 is how much more than 50? 6. What will be the last two digits of this number? 6 square 36. Suppose if it is 43 square, we have to check how much it is more than 50, less than 50. More than 100, less than 100. 43 is how much less than 50? 7. 7 square is 49, which is 49. Please tell me this answer. 96 square. How much it is less than 100 or more than 100? Quick. 4. What is 4 square? 16. Please make a note. No, more than 50, more it is 50 base. You took 40. That's how you get the answers very, very fast. You get the answers very, very fast. Online students, I hope the idea it is very much clear to you. Kindly reply if it is clear to you, or online students. Kindly reply with yes if it is clear to you. You got a doubt, kindly use the chat option and ask me the doubt. Another 5 problems I will give you. Yes, you are right. Both will give you same answer. 50 plus 25 is 25 square, 620, 25. 100 minus 25 also 25 square, 625. Anything you will get the answer. Most of the students will keep doing some intermediate steps. You can avoid it. Directly you can get into the answer. Another 5 problems I will write it, try to solve it. You take a number, check it out how much it is more than 50, how much it is less than 50, how much it is more than 100, how much it is less than 100, how much it is less than. That is very easy. In fact, if you take 70 square, answer will be 10 square 100, last two digits is 0, 0. Multiples of 10, it is much more easier, Rayansh.
No, the base is 70, like.
No, base should be either 50 or 100. Base should be either 50 or 100. Base should either 50 or 100. Either 50 or 100. Shall I write 5 more? Can you tell the answers orally? Then I will make it little level 2. My 3 for you. Tell me the answer for 61 square. Don't use pen. 61. Very good. 21. Very good. Riyansh for you. 48 square. Answer. 48 is how much less than 50? 2 square. 04. Simple. 2 seconds problem. Sai for you. 3796 square. I am actually fooling you by giving these 4 digits. Our entire attention is only on last 2 digits. 96. No, 96 is 4 less than 100. 4 square is 69. 16. Yes or no? Now tell me this answer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 square. Let me know who will solve this question.
120.
Yes, 120. 120. Shall I make it little difficult? Let me see. No. 96 power 4. I will give you an. Now you tell me how will you.
Sir, can I? So like again, like.
Yes. 96 square into 96 square. 96 square, what is the last 2 digits? 96 last 2 digits will be 4 square, 16. Here also into 16. 16 square, 256. Answer is 56. Now you will do 89 power 4. First take these problems. Take these problems. 96 power 4 we did. 89 power 4 similarly do it. I hope the idea it is clear. At this age of 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, if you learn all these concepts, it will help you in your Olympiads, it will help you in your IIT foundation related things, it will help you to have a better edge over others in terms of mathematical topic. That much big you don't need to do. Only last 2 digits is my focus. Only last 2 digits is my focus. Yes. Once you understand, it is easy. Otherwise, it is difficult. (89 power 4). 89 square into 89 square. 11 square 121. 21 into 21. 441. Answer you got 441. 41. Okay, Sai. (89 power 4 is 89 square into 89 square. All 12 problem skill. Now I will ask you orally. Tell me the answer. 97 square, last 2 digits. 97 square. 3 square 09. 53 square. 42 square. 64. Right. Is this clear? One more. Write down. Now you will tell the square roots in seconds. How to find the another concept. How to find the square root of a. How to find the square root of a perfect square. How to find the square root of a perfect square? How to find the square root of a perfect square? How to find the square root of a perfect square? Write down questions. Square root of 3721. Square root of 2704. Square root of 1681. Square root of 3025. Now, listen carefully. Shortcut. 3721, 2704, 1681, 3025. Shall I discuss? First problem I am discussing. Yes. 4 I will solve, another 6 you will solve. Once you understand, less than 10 seconds. See here. Square root of 3721, 2704, 1681, 3025. Step number 1. Everybody look at the board. From right side, keep a slash after 2 digits. From right side, keep a slash after 2 digits. From right side, keep a slash after 2 digits. From right side, keep a slash after 2 digits. Suppose if it is, for example, if I take 11449, good doubt. Keep a slash after 2 digits. 2 digits we are doing because it is a perfect square. If it is a cube root, we will keep a slash after 3 digits. If it is a fourth root, we will keep a slash after 4 digits. Okay. Now first listen.
So can you also put after 11?
After?
The first
that also, yes, I will explain. Good doubt you asked. That I will explain right now. Concept. These, let me take it as a concept 2. Let me take this as concept 1. Good that you are thinking beyond what I wish to discuss. Concept 1. I will again ask. Riyan's doubt is, can I keep another slash after 1? Right? Yes, you can keep. Now 1 minute. Here, let me discuss concept 2 first. Square root of 3721. Concept 2 will tell answer contains how many digits. Concept 1 will give you the answer. I am telling you the difference. Concept 2 will tell you answer contains how many digits. It will not give us the answer. After 21 I kept a slash. How many group of 2 digits are there? This is one group of 2 digits. This is one group of 2 digits. Answer contains how many digits? 2 digits. Suppose if it is 11449. After 2 digit slash. After 2 digit slash. 1, can I write it as 01? Yes or no? I can write. That means how many groups of 2 digits are there? 1, 2, 3. Answer contains how many digits? 3 digits. These keeping a slash after 2 digits will tell us how many digits are there in the answer. Now suppose for example, tell me this answer 15625. 1, 2, that means answer contains 3 digits. 1 can be written as 0, 1. Are you all with me? First write down concept 2. No, here it is because the group should contain maximum 2 digits. It is 1 digit, maximum 2 digits. When I say maximum, it can be less than or equivalent to 2. It can have 1, it can not have 1. Understood? This is the most important concept, sir. You will do square roots in long methods, don't waste your time. Concept 2 will give you how many digits are there in the answer. Concept 1 will give you the answer. Concept 1 will give you the answer.
So for the square root of second one, there are 3 digits.
3 digits. We will determine right now. What is that? What are the 3 digits? We will determine. Idea clear? Now, I will come back to concept 1 with a bigger number. Now, if you see, now I am asking a question which is an Olympiad question. Now, tell me, question is, now see, my 3, try to answer. There is a square root. Perfect square has this many digits. A1, A2, A3, A4, A5, A6, A7, A8, A9. 9 digits are there. Answer contains how many digits? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Answer contains 5.
How do we know if it's perfect?
That is a very good doubt. There are certain properties with respect to perfect square. Maybe after this I will take up your doubt. Good doubt that is. You all understood Sai's doubt? Sai is asking, suppose if I take 73. 73 is not a perfect square. 8 square is 64, 9 square is 81. How will you say whether this number is a perfect square or not? That is his doubt. Next slide I will discuss. Very good doubt. Now I will do these 5 problems. Now see. Now 10 seconds approach. Sir, what is that approach? Everybody look at the screen. We discussed the last 2 digits of a number approach. We will use that approach. Now see. Riyan, see here. Step number 1. Only focus on last 2 digits. 21, 04, 81, 25. 21. It will become the last 2 digits of which smallest number? 9 square 81, 10 square 100, 11 square 121. Yes or no? That means, right, last digit has to be 11. Only write down the unit digit 1. 37 lies between which 2 squares? 6 square is 36. 7 square is 49. What is the smallest? 6. Answer is 61. Again I am repeating. 2704. What is the smallest last 2 digits? 4. 4 will come for which smallest number? 2 square is 04. Write down 2. 27 lies between which 2 squares? 5 square 25, 6 square 36. So what is the smallest one? 5. Answer is 52. My 3 clear? Rian, tell me this answer. 1681. What is the smallest number on square? I will get 81. 9 square 81. 16 lies between which 2 squares? 4 square, 5 square. 4 square anyway it is equal.
So I am using 9 instead of 1.
Which one?
For 81.
81. 1 square is 0, 1. 1 square is 0, 1. 1 square. Are you all with me? 81 we should take. 81. Which smallest number on square I will get 81? 9 is the smallest one. So 9 here it is. 1681. Now see. First write down first 2. Then I will take your doubt. Take your doubt. So write down first 2. Okay. Now again I will explain. Okay. Now see here. 52. Till here clear? Now let me take a fresh slide. I will take a little bigger numbers. I will use, now see, 1680. Now Riyansh, for you, step number 1, 81. 81 which comes for which number? 9 square 81. Now see here, I will tell you an alternate approach. 9 square is 81. Which all numbers on last two digits it will be same? 50 minus 9, 50 plus 9, 100 minus 9. Are you all with me? The 1600 is closer to 41. Answer is 41. Now again, these two are same. Again I will explain. 3721. What are the last two digits? 21. 11 square is 121. Am I right? 50 minus 11. 50 plus 11. 100 minus 11. Yes or no? 60 square is 3600. It is just greater than 3600. Answer is 61. I am using the last two digits logic so that few problems will not use the same concept. Now see here, one more. Square root of 7744. Sai. 7744. Step number 1. Which number on square I will get last two digits 44? 12 square is 144. First write down that. 12 square is 144. 50 minus 12. 50 plus 12. 100 minus 12. 80 square is 6400. This is 7700. Definitely answer will be 88. Why these both cannot be the answer? Because 62 is nearer to 60 square. 60 square is 3600. 38 is nearer to 40. 40 square is, right, it is 1600. Are you all with me? Suppose if it is 729. 729. Now you tell me, keep a slash after two digits. So answer will have two digits. 29 will come for which number? 23 square is 529. 50 minus 23, 50 plus 23, 100 minus 23. 70 square is 4900. It is much smaller. Answer is 27. Please see. Suppose if it is 53, suppose if it is, let me take a number, suppose if it is 3721. Did I took this number? I will take another number. Suppose if it is 79, suppose it is 7569. Tell me the answer. Last two digits 69. 13 square is 169. 50 minus 13. 50 plus 13. 100 minus 13. 80 square is 6400. It is greater than 6400. So answer has to be 87. Again I am repeating. Only check the last two digits of a number. 81. 9 square is 81. 50 minus 9. 50 plus 9. 100 minus 9. Now if you see 40 square is 1600. It is just greater than 1600. Answer has to be 41. My 3, okay? 3721. Rayansh. Last two digits is 21. 11 square is 121. 50 minus 11. 50 plus 11. 100 minus 11. 60 square is 3600. It is 3700. That means answer has to be just greater than 60. Are you all with me? Write down.
So that means the minus 50 is per answer.
Yes. So what I did is 11. First I found out the last two digits of a number. Which all numbers last two digits is found, I wrote it. Then I checked which is the closest. Then I checked which is the closest.
So isn't 39 square closest to 37?
No, but last two digits are not matching, right? Last two digits should match. Last two digits should match. Last two digits should match. Govind has asked a doubt online. I hope I answered your doubt. Last two digits should match. If you are in confusion, I will give Another 5 problems so that you can practice. Before going to dinner, please kindly revise the notes once. And tomorrow itself, try to complete in Monday or Tuesday, try to complete DPP. Clear, Rayansh, any doubts? Idea clear? Shall I give another 5 problems? Maitri, any doubt? Approximation, is it clear? Rayansh, any doubt? Online students, any doubts are there? Kindly reply. Govind, it is clear. Venkatramana, it is clear. Ajay, is it clear? Create some questions. Try to solve. Is this clear? We created a WhatsApp group. I hope you all are aware, right? I think your parents are added. In that one, I sent the classroom notes 1. You have seen it? Classroom notes 1 I sent, classroom notes 2 I sent, DPP I sent it. Okay. Next, from tomorrow onwards, when you are submitting it, in our app itself, there is a facility, subjective test. You can keep your images there. I will correct and I will send it. You kept your images there? In the app itself, there is a facility. Nothing we will lose. Even the classroom notes also, I kept it as a PDF in that folder. So you can watch it in mobile, you can watch it in Android mobile, iOS mobile, you can watch it in desktop, you can watch it in web browser, in TV, all facilities I provided. Now, write down the questions, try to solve. 1764, 2809, 4356, 8464. Can you try to do it orally for me? I'll be happy. Tell me the approaches, don't worry about the answers. 1764, 2809. Very good. First one. 8. 8 square is 64. What are the other numbers? Last 2 digits should be same. 50 minus 8. 50 plus 8. 100 minus 8. 50 square is 2500. It is going very above. All are out. Answer for this question is 42. With little practice, less than 10 seconds, you can solve it. Second one, Sai, what could be the answer? Try to do it orally. Try to do the second one, Maitri answer, 2809. What are the last 2 digits? 3. 3 square, 9. 50 minus 3. 50 plus 3. 100 minus 3. Which number is closer? 50 square is 2500. 3. Very good. 53. Okay, Sai. Third and fourth.
So can we do 100 plus 3 also?
That will become a bigger number. You don't need to do actually this many also. Orally only you can get back to the answer. These numbers writing is for your convenience. 4356. 16 square is 256. 50 minus 16. 50 plus 16. 100 minus 16. 60 square is 3600, 70 square is 4900. Answer should be just less than 76. 66. 66. Done? 84, 64.
So the answer for A is the first one is the
42.
4 to 8.
42, that's all. 8 square is 64. From 8 we got 50 minus 8, 50 plus 8, 100 minus 8. These numbers are big values, so smallest number is 42. You will forget it if you don't practice it. Whatever time that you are practicing, if you love video games, spend a little time on video games. But ensure that this is done. Because if you listen today, tomorrow if you don't see your notes, you will forget it. So that's the reason, go through your notes. 84, 64. Maitri? 8 square is 64. 50 minus 8. 50 plus 8. 100 minus 8. Very good. Very, very important concept, sir. Please go through all the problems. What all we discussed today? It's almost close to 9. Very good. Okay. Please see, I think what all concepts. Now I'll just, which all we discussed. Only till here we discussed, I think. Till here we discussed, except this. Am I right? So let me go through it. First we discuss the doubts. It is clear. All 3 doubts we discussed. Maitri, I hope your doubts are clear. Okay. Please go through go through the board ones. How to find the square of a number, a plus b whole square. Switch off the AC ones. I think if you sit here directly, it is hitting us, right? Now I can, a plus b whole square. A square plus 2ab plus b square. Is it clear, right, Riyansh? Then next doubt came, how to find the square of a 3-digit number. Then we did ways to approach. Square still 35. Then we did squares ending with 5. Then last 2 digits of a number. How to find the last 2 digits. How to find out the square root of a perfect square. These are the concepts which we discussed. 1 minute, go through the notes. 1 minute, go through the notes.
So I'm going to show like the squares.
Huh? You got a?
I'm going to show the squares from 16 to 25.
16 to 25. You want to show?
Like you show on the board will be the test.
You?
Like if you give us the question of the square, can you show it on the board?
A 19 square, 20 square. You want me to show?
Yes, sir.
By using, okay. Where it is? Somewhere it should be there, right? Did we erase it? Okay. This is very important. Square still 25. Go through it, notes for 1 or 2 minutes. Online students, I hope yes, online students, any doubts are there? Is the speed okay? Should I increase this? I think with the nominal speed, we will go for it. If there is a public holiday anywhere in the next subsequent weeks, if there is a holiday, like we get a lot of holidays, Independence Day is coming on August 15th, we might get a Raksha Bandhan Day. All public holidays, we will have classes. We will have classes on public holidays.
That week's Saturday and Sunday we won't have.
No. That week, 1 more extra class we will have.
Like
Wednesday, if whatever public holiday it is coming, we will have 1 more class that we will discuss it. Most likely, I will discuss with you 1 week well in advance. Check it out. Morning, I will not keep in case if there is any puja and everything. I will just take 2 hours of your personal time and I want to invest. My target, I will tell you, by 4th week, square, cube, square root, cube root, multiplication, addition, subtraction. It should be in fingertips. It should be in fingertips. percentages, ratios, it should be in fingertips. Because if that is not strong, next level will go for a toss, right? Go through all the problems. Tomorrow class is at 3:30 to 5:30. 3:30 to 5:30. Suppose some of your classmates, they are unable to come because of some event. What they are doing? They are keeping their earphones while traveling in car. Instead of listening to music, they are listening to the class. You should listen to the class because lot of effort has gone into, instead of just you might have gone tuition somewhere where somebody will write it in a notebook. Big machine I purchased, big software I purchased, online class also I am giving. You go to a tuition, the same class will not be repeated. But here, the same class you can watch it. DPP I am giving, right? One person to help us technically I am keeping. So ensure that you revise it as much as possible. Tomorrow I will conduct a slip test for 20 minutes instead of 10 minutes. Today's slip test and tomorrow's slip test. For 20 minutes tomorrow. Go through it. I hope everything it is clear, right? All online students, thank you for attending. 1 minute. 1 minute. Is there any technical issue that you are facing? Is the audio clear? What you do, all of you, after going to home once, in case if you are sleeping little late, ask your parents to show the July 5th and July 6th class. You watch it for 5 minutes. So that you will understand, when you are stuck, I am there with you in your home whenever you require. That is what my philosophy of teaching. When Maitri is studying, she got a doubt, Anil sir will be there with you through a video format. Okay, right? Everything clear? Chalo, we will meet up tomorrow at 3:30. I request each one of you to come on time, right? Please try to come 5 minutes earlier. Keep your watch 10 minutes late so that you will come little early. If it is 9 in your watch, it should show 9:10. Thereby you will come on time, right? Why? Because entire thing we are getting recorded. I don't want people to come in between. Okay, tomorrow we will meet. Thank you. Thank you.